About this item, house behavior chart for kids at home. If you need an easy way to keep your little ones helping around the house, this visual chore chart for kids, multiple kids, is ideal for you. Set and encourage your child to reach their daily and weekly goals with different tasks each day, and then reward their good behavior. Children can learn a lot from doing household chores. Personal chores are a great way to teach kids responsibility and discipline. Ideal for parents and teachers. House every family needs one. We bring you upgraded 16.5 x 13.5 large size magnetic chore board with plenty of space to write. This simple management system has fully customizable design to help you save time by keeping all the chores in one spot. Designed to be used as a to-do list, meal planner, gym workout, home school schedule planner, and has a bonus space for notes, shopping lists / grocery and more according to your needs. Keeps your fridge neat and organized. Large blue diamond, easy to clean whiteboard. We can't stand stained whiteboards. That's why we have created a stain-resistant magnetic chore chart with high-quality PET material and latest nano premium technology.